What's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can hide your WhatsApp status from only one person. So first of all, get logged into your WhatsApp account number, then tap three dot icon, select settings. In here you will see a search button. Directly tap onto it and type in status. In here you will see status under privacy. Tap on that, and under who can see my status updates you will see three options. Select the one that says my contacts accept. And now, in your case, it might be zero excluded as well. You're going to have to tap on this zero excluded. As I do that, it will display everybody in your WhatsApp contact. Now, you're going to have to select the person, that one person from whom you would like to hide your WhatsApp status. And as I do that, confirm your action. And likewise, you may go ahead, add something to your WhatsApp status. And everybody except for that person will be able to see your status. Thank you for watching.